In front of me is Motorola Moto G54 Power, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by finding an app called Files and clicking on it. If you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up and Allow in the second one. Then click on Browse at the bottom in the middle if it's not already on, and select Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!